As with any new eyeglass prescription, the bioptic user must allow for the brain to adapt to the new optical aid in order to have the most natural and effective viewing experience, with the outcome being enhanced vision through the bioptic system. Our eyes work together with our brain to process our vision. The brain has to make sense of what we're looking at. It must assess, assemble, and decide what to concentrate on and what to ignore. For example, a person who wears glasses might notice that when they first put them on in the morning, they are aware of the eyeglass frame in their side vision. But as they continue about their day, they will ignore the distraction and enjoy seeing more clearly. The same can be said for a new driver when learning to use the mirrors in the car. The learner, intent on keeping their eyes on the road in front of them, may find that checking the mirrors is distracting. The mirrors' narrow field of view also makes them more difficult to use, especially in the beginning. But with a little practice, using the mirrors becomes second nature. The brain, using head and eye movements, adapts to a new viewing method, letting the driver be aware of the vehicles around them while still paying attention to the road directly ahead. When you first start to use your Ocutech Bioptic, it is also a new visual experience. As you practice making quick dips of your head to look into the telescope eyepiece, your brain will learn to combine the clear vision through the telescope with your regular vision through the eyeglass lenses, and you will begin to ignore the telescope's narrower field of view. Combining the use of the bioptic with your normal vision will soon become second nature, just like using the rearview mirrors while driving.